All right. Frequency table and bar graph. What is a frequency table? Tell me, Emily.
Table to organize data that lists categories and the frequency that each category occurs.
Okay, a frequency table is a table that organizes data that lists categories and the frequency, which is the number of times that each category occurs. What's a bar graph, Caden?
A bar graph is a graph to organize data that uses solid bars to show the frequency number of times that each category occurs.
Okay, have y'all seen these types of graphs before? You should have seen both of these. Really, the only new graph this year that you should see is a scatter plot. Okay, so we are going to make a frequency table and then take that information and put it into a bar graph. All right, so we're going to vote on our favorite color. So I'm going to go around and ask you, what is your favorite color out of the choices? Red, blue, green, and purple. If your favorite color isn't up there, vote on which of the colors is your favorite. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Tatum, what's your favorite color?
Green.
Everyone's marking it as I'm going through. Louise, what's yours?
Favorite color out of these?
Verde.
I don't know what you said.
Red.
Red?
No, that's
He said
rojo.
in Spanish.
Okay, what's your favorite color, Louise?
Green. Team trees.
Alex, what's your favorite color?
Red.
Della? Gavin?
Purple.
My man right there. Emily?
He's supposed to be pink, but
Brayden?
I'll go with blue too.
Caden?
Blue. Casey?
The trees.
Tyler?
Purple.
Talon?
Purple.
Talon sits next to you. No.
No.
Anna Marie? Ryder? Addison? Peyton?
Green.
Kate? Ethan? Kaylin? And then mine.
No. Y'all killing all the trees.
What does the word frequency mean? Tell me, Della.
The number of times something occurs.
The number of times something occurs. How many times was red picked?
3 times.
How many times was blue picked?
4 times.
Green
5.
and purple.
7.
Okay. So now we're going to make our bar graph. I'm going to label down here number,
Say
we'll say frequency, number of times picked. Number of
Pop.
And over here, I'm going to title it favorite color. What is the title of my whole bar graph going to be? Very good. go on?
Not yet.
Am I going now?
Yes.
Alright. So, we're going to number the X. What's the minimum I have to go up to? 7.
Wait, why do you have to go to 7?
Because the most picked was purple and there were 7 votes.
Oh.
Okay. I'm not gonna go at 4.
Go up by
Five.
colors.
I'm gonna go up by colors. I'm gonna label this red, blue, green,
Purples.
purple. Everyone done this stuff for?
Yes, ma'am.
Do I need to give y'all a little bit more time to finish drawing that?
Okay.
Can I go on? Can I go on?
Yes. Yeah.
All right. So, how many chose red?
Three.
Okay. I'm gonna go over to.
We love one. Just like a coordinate plane.
Well, I'm not really no, because you need an X and a Y coordinate. I don't have an X and a Y coordinate for this. I'm just going over to 3 on my number of times picked.
Can I shade it in?
If you want. Okay. How many times was blue picked?
4.
Okay. Go over to 4. Green.
5. And then purple.
And purple was picked
7 times.
7 times.
And also, what?
And what kind of bar is this one?
This is a bar graph.
That's not right.
So when you are answering questions about different types of graphs, I would really, really, really recommend labeling the ends of your things. Does your bar graph only have bars that go vertically or horizontally?
No.
You can also have them go what?
Vertically.
It could also be like that, right?
Yeah.
Same thing.
They can't be like, what's it called? It can't be diagonal.
Yeah, I've never seen it be diagonal. Any questions on how to draw this?
Diagonal?
Y'all, if we walk down the hallway, I promise you bar graphs are on kindergarten's hallway. Y'all have seen bar graphs for a very long time.
Yes.
Yes.
One of the tables and bar graphs, are we gonna do like those dot graphs?
Dot plot.
A dot, yes, tomorrow.
Dot plot.
Hey! Practice problem. It says represent the data using a frequency table and a bar graph. Okay, I don't know why it's listed twice. Sorry. It says the same thing twice. Oops.
Where?
Here
It says on the top
and here.
It doesn't say practice problem.
Okay, so we are going to make a frequency table first.
Yes.
Guys, you're gonna have to make this small so I have enough room. This is all the room I'm giving myself to make a frequency table. Up here.
Okay.
Gee.
It's so small. Do we have enough room to make a bar graph?
Oh.
Okay, so what are the different types of sport? What are the different types of activities for after school?
Sports
I
are
have. Hold on,
reading.
hold on, hold on. Guys, you're gonna be saying hold on.
Yes.
But please don't talk over me, okay? So we're gonna label it activity. We're gonna have tally mark. And we're gonna have frequency. Let me know when I can go on.
Yawn.
Go on. Okay, so we have sports, art. What else? We may need to go down a little longer, farther. Reading, okay. And
Video games. VG. Oops. Yeah. That wouldn't doesn't look easy.
yes,
Are we gonna follow what
Just catch up, my phone fell asleep.
we're gonna use this data to make a frequency table first. So
We're doing a vision test.
okay, so I'm gonna, as I go through, I'm gonna put marks in the correct box. So we have sports. I'm gonna put one mark there. Cross it out. Then I have
Art.
one there. Cross it out. Then I have sports again. Cross it out.
Video games.
Video games. Mark it. Cross it out.
Sports.
Sports.
Mark it out.
Mark it out.
Reading.
Reading.
Video games.
Mark it out. Video games.
Sports.
Mark it out.
I love people like sports.
Sports. Mark it out. Art. Mark it out. Video games. Mark it out. Video games again. Mark it out. Art. Mark it out. Video games again. Remember, once you get to 5, you have 4, and then you're going across for your tally mark. Reading. Mark it. Cross it off. Sports. Mark it. Cross it off. Video games. Mark. Cross. Reading. Mark. Cross. Art. Mark. Cross. Art. Mark. Cross. Sports. Mark.
video games.
How many times did sports occur?
6.
Art,
5,
reading,
3, 6,
video games.
6,
Okay, add all these up real fast, please.
6, 5, 11, 14, 20.
Okay.
21.
Okay,
Quick math.
how many are here?
20.
How many are in here?
20.
Go count, double check.
Oh, wait. 1, 2,
5
3.
times
No, there's.
4 equals 20.
Okay,
Yeah.
you have to have the same number of data here as you do here. Okay, does that make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Always a good idea to double check that. Let's do our bar graph. I'm going to title this activity. I'm going to title the side frequency.
We're doing a difference time.
Yeah.
Or
And what's the title of my graph going to be?
favorite after school activities.
Okay.
Favorite video.
After
School
During school activities.
activities.
Alright, give you a whole minute to write that down. Once you've done that, you can just sit and wait patiently and quietly, please. Okay, we go on.
Yes.
Okay, so on my activities line, what am I labeling?
Sports, art, reading, video
Sports,
games.
art, so.
I'm
Sports,
assuming this is one, 6.
art. Reading and
Video. 6.
okay. I have to go up to at least what on frequency?
6.
That's my most pick, so 6.
Reading. 3. 4 reading. Let's go. Video games. Nine. You just turned it.
Okay. Y'all ready?
Yes.
No.
Who said no? Okay. How much more time do you need?
30 seconds.
Alright, go for it. I don't do that. Alright. Can I go on?
Yes.
How many times was sports picked?
6 times.
Okay. Art.
5.
Reading.
3.
Video games.
6.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you a question, see if I can trick you. You ready?
Yes.
If you can get this correct, I'm gonna give you a piece of candy.
Thanks.
So, I'm going to ask it You're going to answer it on your paper, not out loud. And then we're gonna go around the room and see who gets it correct.
So it's like Jeopardy when they all write down.
Kind of.
Wait, so where do we write it?
Just, you can put your answer, draw a line right here, and put your answer right there.
Is that the answer to the question? or-
Nope. Unfortunately, you will not see yes or no questions on the STAR test about these kind of tables. They're multi-step, they're higher level questions.
3.
What fraction
No.
of students picked art as their favorite after-school activity?
That's so easy.
What fraction of students picked art as their favorite after-school activity?
Let's go.
Think about the parts of a fraction and what they mean. Okay? Wait patiently. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. I have my little clock timer that I'm watching.
What was it again? Art?
Art. Everyone sitting quietly and patiently when you're done. What fraction of the students picked art as their favorite after-school activity? Okay. When you're looking at a fraction, you have a numerator and denominator, right?
Yes.
Your denominator tells you what?
How many students there are?
How many students took this survey?
20.
So your denominator would be
20.
Wait, could four?
how many picked art?
5.
So your numerator is
5.
40.
Let's go.
So hold on.
Yes.
Hold on. I'm not done yet. Give me a second, please.
Let's get some art. When you
Hold on, please. If you got this correct, you're going to get one piece of candy. But if you simplify it, I'm going to give you two.
Let's go! Oh, wait.
What does this fraction simplify down to, Ethan?
1/4.
One
Yeah,
fourth.
let's go! I just put 1/4 in this head.
That's okay. If you got this, you're going to get 2 pieces of candy. Remember, when you have fractions, if I can find this in the journal, you can simplify them.
Because I just did 20 divided by 5.
Remember, we're going to make a multiplication table on your STAR test. You're going to see if you can find 5. There's 20. Go back. It simplifies down to
1/4.
1/4. So, does that make sense how we found our answer?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, you get to ask me. Questions, comments, concerns?